During painting or repainting of a new bungalow, house, flats, apartments, factories, commercial buildings, use SILKCOAT 13 for better results. What is SILKCOAT 13? SILKCOAT 13 is an additive to any water-based paint. Used in exterior and interior walls for both residential and commercial buildings. Advantages of SILKCOAT 13. First advantage: adds more brightness to the painted wall. Second advantage: also provides smooth flow of brushes or rollers. More workability to the painter. Third advantage: increases the lifetime of brushes and rollers, bringing down the maintenance cost. Fourth advantage: when SILKCOAT 13 is added to the primer, you get 25% extra area coverage. During first coat with paint, we get 30% extra area coverage, and during second coat with paint, we get 40% extra area coverage. Fifth advantage: when SILKCOAT 13 is mixed white cement, this can be used as crack filler to fill wall cracks. Sixth advantage: straight 20% savings in your painting cost with SILKCOAT 13. Seventh advantage: when SILKCOAT 13 is added to paint or primer, and applied over the interior or exterior wall, it makes paint or primer waterproof. Eighth advantage: to prevent fungus or algae formation on walls. Use SILKCOAT 13. Methods of application: add 500 ml to 3 liters of SILKCOAT 13 to the required amount of water. Add the above solution to 20 liters of any water-based paint or primer. Stir in vertical direction and centrifugal direction. SILKCOAT 13 has been certified and approved by Government of India.